Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out these crazy sparkle boots, these little go-go boot, whatever. These are not for me, clearly, but I'm gonna show you guys how they look. These are, they got a nice rubber base on it, so non-slip. It does have a little bit of flex to it, and it's got the sparkles all over it, but if you see, my hand doesn't really get the sparkles on it, so they're pretty solid on there. Inside, it's got the, I don't know, there's like a nylon kind of inside, so it's fairly comfortable. They've tried them on and said it's fairly comfortable. Inside it comes with a little shoe, this thing here in there, and we keep it in there to keep it with its shape so it doesn't get all crinkled. So probably a good idea to do too. And then it also kind of stands up like that. So these are super cool and super cute, ready for some costumes and some parties and whatnot. So good. I don't know if I would dance too much in them. I mean, the heel seems well attached, but not sure I would go too crazy. They're fairly light, but super cool. Thumbs up for me on these. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.